Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading from Wilmer, Texas. We're going to pick up a load of Post brand products and deliver to the Dollar General Distribution Center in Longview. We're waking up this morning just outside of Tyler. We're back from the weekend, so yeah. I just woke up, so I'm pretty tired. We'll get up and get ready to go. I will get on the road. I will talk more then. Alright, this is Interstate 20 West. Obviously we're back on the road. We're going past our normal love stop up here in Van. It's 4:15 a.m. Sitting at about 42 degrees. A little chilly this morning, but not terrible. I'm not, to be honest, I don't remember exactly what I said in the opening there. We're gonna head out here to Wilmer, Texas, pick up a load of Post consumer products, which would be like your Post brand cereals and things like that. I think they have other products, but we're gonna pick that up, and it gets delivered at 10 a.m. to a Dollar General Distribution Center in Longview, Texas. It's not a super long load. We wouldn't have to be up this early. However, I wanted to avoid the traffic in Longview. I'm sorry, the traffic in Dallas. We got something coming up here on the right. Oh, looks like a truck had a little bit of an incidente. He must have gotten a little sleepy this morning. But yeah, we got 70 miles out there to Wilmer to pick up. On our way back, we'll stop at the TA in Terrell to scale the load, make sure we're all good weight-wise, and then we'll make our way out to Longview. And we're just coming off the weekend. The truck was parked outside of Tyler and QT off Interstate 20. Came back to the truck last night, got everything situated and ready to go, and spent the night in the truck, so we didn't have to wake up even earlier this morning. Yeah, so all is good this morning. Jump off now and catch back up with you guys once it gets daylight out and we can see a little more. Made it over here to Wilmer. We're about to pull in here to the shipper in a couple minutes. We'll be dropping the empty trailer and picking up a preloaded trailer and making our way back to
0 feet, turn left.
Longview. trailer, empty trailer dropped. We have our preloaded trailer hooked up. Preloaded trailer that they said I would be picking up in my dispatch notes is not the one that they gave me, so I'm hoping that my bills match up. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to come back up here and get the other trailer. It's sitting back there, but we'll see. Maybe they know something I don't. But yeah, we're heading up to security. Once we get through security, we'll get back on the road. We have about 2 hours and 10 minutes to the shipper. It's about 6 o'clock now, so that'll put us there just after 8 o'clock, and that'll be plenty of time. 2 hours early for our appointment. It would be nice if they'd unload me right away, but I'm not counting on it. I've been here before and they're pretty strict on their appointments, so we'll get there and see what happens. Alright, we just pulled off the scales at the TA in Terrell. Everything's scaled out good. I had to message my dispatch as well. They were concerned that I didn't have the right load, but I double verified the numbers I was given with the number that was assigned to this trailer, and everything should be okay. Jump back on Interstate 20, headed east towards Longview. We have 96 miles. Till we get there.
Stop sign, turn right onto Interstate 20 east.
Be there around 8:30, so an hour and a half before our scheduled appointment.
Turn right.
Sun's coming up over the trees, burning this fog off. It's pretty neat. They still aren't sure that I'm on the correct load, so I'm going to have to find a place to pull over. It's a little frustrating, but it is what it is. I had to stop there at that shell that we're passing right now. I just didn't know that there was truck parking there. It's good to know for future reference. There's a pilot up here, about 9 miles. We'll pull in there if we haven't got a message beforehand, and just have to wait. We stopped at the Canton stopped at the Road Ranger in Canton, Texas, right off Interstate 20. We're good to go on this load. I don't know if it was right or not, but they told me to go, so I'm going. how far we have left because I shut my GPS off. I got kind of sick of listening to it. Any other drivers out there, if you're coming through this way, Road Ranger in Canton is pretty nice. Appears to be clean. Well, I was actually in the shower because they were cleaning the public restroom, so they had the showers open. Nice clean restroom. Looks like it's relatively new. There's a Dickey's barbecue pit and a Church's Texas Chicken there for food. Decent amount of parking. It's kind of hidden from the highway, so if you don't know it's here, you might not see it. It's right, if you're heading west, it's just before Splash Kingdom. If you're heading east, it's the exit right at Splash Kingdom. It's the Splash Kingdom exit. So we're about to head into the sun. I'm gonna have to put sunglasses on, but there's a big Road Ranger sign that you should be able to see. But that's a pretty nice rest area. I'm gonna keep that in mind if I ever have to stop. The unfortunate part is I guess it's not unfortunate. This is pretty close to home for me, so the probability of me ever staying the night there is slim. But just wanted to pass along the information for those of you who may need it. Hope it's helpful. But we're gonna jump on the interstate up here. Right up here, we'll jump back on the interstate and get headed down the road. Just got off Interstate 20 onto US 271. I think it's US. Might be Texas. I'm not sure, but 271 north. Big Glade water. We got 28 miles to the receiver. I keep messing that up because I don't know why I can't ever say receiver. The shipper is where we pick up. The receiver is where we deliver. It's still foggy, but pretty nice morning regardless. We just pulled in. We got checked in. This particular facility, they have you park, walk over, check in with security, and then they give you a call when you're ready. They're ready to send you to a door. So now we wait. Once we start heading in, we'll turn this sucker back on and let you guys see the process of going in. So that's where we're at. We're unloaded. I'm not exactly sure where I ended that or what I'd tell you I would do, to be honest. We've been here for like 3.5 hours. I'm just like, it's just exhausting. But anyway, we're gonna get on to our next load and that'll be in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. To all the new subscribers, thanks for signing on to the channel. It's been nice to connect with you guys. A few of you have reached out on Instagram, so it's been nice to get to reach out and talk to some people. But if you haven't followed on Instagram, handle's right down there. So thanks. See you tomorrow.